Okay, I'm gonna change the brakes on my e-bike. It's been about time. I definitely need to do it at some point, so today is the day. First I have to undo these bolts right here. Let's loosen them. Okay, now there's a cotter pin on the end here, which I have to twist around. Come on, get up. Okay, that's gotta be. Okay, straighten that out. We're gonna have to put it back in. Okay, that's straightened out. Let's loosen the brake pads. Now, let's take the caliper off. Come, get out of there. There's a longer screw at the top and a shorter screw at the bottom, but okay, that is out of there. Let's just take this, put it down here where I can actually keep track of it. Okay, now the brake pads should just pop right out, and they do. Now let's get the new brake pads. Okay, I've never done this before, but let's just see how this works. A little more comfortable in the seat. Get in there. Okay, and you get in there. Okay, now we have spring clippy things. Okay, now the spring clips go back inside. Oh, come on. There. Come on, get back in there. And there we go. And now let's bend that back. Come on. Okay, that's stopping that from going anywhere. Okay. Now this one goes at the bottom. That one goes there. It's okay. That. And attach it to there. Then this one. And attach it to the bottom. Alright, where did my Allen wrench go? Oh, there it is, way over there. Okay. There, just like that. Okay, that's how easy it is. Now I have brakes again. Perfect. And I'll do the same thing for the back, and we'll be done.